quite an old model now, this one, and I picked it up on eBay for £30. So I guess it could kind of fit into the eBay cheap buys.
All aboard with chaos.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Brief Encounters. That's right, just a short video today, and we will be looking at a Collett class locomotive today. So the Collett class is an 060 and it's a tender engine as well. Now this particular model was, I guess this fits into the eBay cheap buys as well, because it was a cheap purchase, this one. One of the earlier locomotives that I picked up when I sort of started getting back into the hobby again. This was £30 on eBay, and it's manufactured by Mainline, so it's a Mainline Railways product. Not super detailed, not particularly good runner, but it does get around. So we'll have a quick look, we'll send it around the temporary layout that I set up, see how it does on that, try and get some good shots of it, then we'll put it onto the main layout, couple of laps, and of course we'll crack out the track cam. Oh yes. You know it. Right. Anyway, Brief Encounters, let's do it. Grab a brew, strap yourselves in, and let's roll the adventure. You know it. Alright, so here we are with the Mainline 060 Collett class locomotive. So this was just a cheap one that I got off eBay a couple of years back now. As I say, it's made by Mainline, so it's not an overly detailed loco, high performance, anything like that, but it runs, and once she gets warmed up she works quite well. So I thought we'd just get her going on this temporary layout, get some photos of her, get some video footage, and away we go. She's pulling 3 Pullman coaches, so let's see how she gets on. Right, let's set her off. There we go, a little bit of a jumpy start. She's underway. The Collett class is underway. Let's just give her a bit more power, just so she gets round this bit. Alright, over the viaduct. There she goes. If she doesn't like that section of track though, she's derailed. Alright, here she comes again. No, it's off again. Right, so we're trying a different approach. Let's go the other way and see what happens. No, still off. Alright, she's on the move. Over the first viaduct. Yes. Just going round. Going to the tricky section of track. Dead. Didn't derail though, it just stopped dead. Interesting. Definitely did that time. Here she comes. Oh, what a beast. Alright, so there we go. That brings us to the end of this running session. We'll go over to the main layout now and give this a proper run. But yeah, it was cool to get some good shots of this one. Unfortunately, that tender's causing a lot of trouble and it just kept derailing, so unfortunately I can't keep sending it round because it just comes off. So yeah, but I think we got some good shots of that anyway. So we'll leave it there, and as I say, we'll move on to the main layout now. Alright, catch you in a bit. Bye. Bye. Alright, so now we've done the test run on the temporary layout. Now we've transferred to the main layout and we're going to see how she gets on here. As you can see, there was quite a few problems on the temporary layout. She kept derailing certain corners that she just could not get around without the tender coming off. So I'm hoping on the main layout she'll run a lot better. Let's see how she gets on. I'll just do a quick test first, make sure she can go forwards and backwards, alright? So here we go. Oh, we have movement. Let's bring it back. Oh, she's off already. Oh, we're not doing very well here. Oh wow, wow. She's left without a tender. Well, I don't think that was supposed to happen. I think the tender's supposed to go on the back. Let's rectify that. Right, let's try again. She's away. Here she comes. Oh, there she goes. So I'm just going to do a few warm-up laps just to try and get her up and running. She's struggling a bit at the minute. There she comes. Flying now, absolutely flying. Go on then. Now she's starting, now she's starting. Oh, she's warmed up, look at this. Here she goes. Wallop. Go on then. Here she comes. What? Let's just bring her back into shot. There she is. Look at it. Right, so now she's had a bit of a warm up, let's do some quick testing. Oh, struggling a bit on there. Struggling. Come on then. Yes, that's it. No, doesn't like that bit there. Come on then. Right, point test. We are coupled up. Right, come on Collett class, let's do this. There we go. There we go. Alright, so we're ready to go. We are ready to rock. Let's do it. Here she comes. Only just. I'm telling you, only just. So as you can see, she's not running that great, to be honest. She keeps stopping. Don't know why. No. Oh, my mate Phil Stein. Here she comes. No. So a different connector doesn't work, does it? Doesn't, does it? No. Don't know what you want from me. What do you want from me? There we go. Collett class. There she goes. She's still struggling a bit. it's time to crack out the track cam. Let's hit to it. So there we are. That brings us to the end of the brief encounter. And, well, what do we think? My own personal verdict? Yeah, it's a bit like that, isn't it? It's a bit touch and go. It's got a few problems with it. I don't know, again, I mean, the track setup that I have got is not ideal. But, I don't know, this one seems to struggle more than other locos that have been round. So, yeah, it might just need a service. I don't know, I'd have to have a look. But overall, I mean, yeah, I only paid £30 for it, so it's not like a big issue. But yeah, it's not running. It's not running well, is it? You can clearly see that on the temporary layout. I don't know if the curves were just too tight for it, but it just couldn't handle it. And then on the main layout here, yeah, there was just some performance issues. So yeah, it's not the best loco by any means, but we got another video out of it. So all in all, yeah, it's not a brilliant loco, but it is another one that we can use. So what I might do is give it a good service, sort of give it a clean out, and then see if that improves things. Because that's probably all it needs, to be honest. Just needs a good surface, maybe improving the pickup points on it. Who knows? But overall verdict, it's middle of the road, you know, towards the lower end of the spectrum. That's what it is. So yeah, thank you very much for watching a brief encounter with Collett class. I shall leave it there. Stay safe everyone, take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now. Bye.